McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.
Ediani pedo, Arena so. Ediani pedo, Arena so. Metuka no Malande already Malande crowd DJ Malande. I was for Malande, DJ Malande. Annie, me ma TV no so. Said ye here ni so be so TV na men be so. Now be hu na nama McBrown. Say me dey McBrown's kitchen. Bro direct from my car and direct to your TV. I was for me da say next one man ho kwan me ahia. One man home rest say oni me be no aduane ene me dey brewi. And then we were very simple special food. And it's saying ingredients no and and also very very unique. Intinya botrema me na me da aboafo ase. Me don ase wie pe na try say me special guest ba na ye de aduane no na ye dey ahihye so. Me da high sense ase. Everyday prices for everyday people. Yes, Shane said ya ya. Ubetumi anya hoboa na watumi akora sika na wakoye showroom bia eben with the whole Ghana na wakoje fridge, TV, air condition, kettle, iron, sound system, mobile phone, deep freezer, nini na microwave and so on and on. Inti high sense trend so beba showroom. Ebusia me da dead dog spices ya say. Ye be ye aduane ye de dead dog be shom. Your dedo pepper, your dedo noodles, dedo stew, dedo jollof, dedo curry and nutmeg. And the wahe, me pacho. Uko jaso akai se obeto dedo pepper. Dedo mekono enie real pepper. Me don't wanna say, ebusa the GC brand. Meaning say when you see the GC brand pe edino aka gandu cosmetics. Yes, gando. Said the oti asiye biano. The GC brand represent that. It's all about you. You won't from head to toe. Just a dozen. GC brand John Hondoto. Why ni na ediamount. Me don't want to be Afa sanya my way akasadai no way. My way insurance neta wachi abra yare kwankwan bi peso dokro abra ho kire bi aba abra ho nam baabi adan ha wo na wakoda hospital abro 3 days no den abenya receipt na dey said they was subscribe on my way so no according to no ye dey yare terms no ebe ma wo said they ahyehyɛ no ye dey mo ani nyina beta wachi nti bomode anefa ho don my way insurance. Madam Abuafo yase, me come anim no meda launcher kitchen ase. Launch and fear bebre ni no hu se me kai media konia banyina launch and keep on. Sesa me kitchen ma me kakra ane me juwondi wadwuma e kama wadwuma e papa hwehwe mu no me face o corner no o kitchen no o space no emfa ma. Me da se. Me kai obi o se abaya dem dia bani o. Ane wate hunka wate say me kan wasam. Wahu yo mate ene na de obeya aboam ne se ukodwa so bia no a obehwehwe McBrown's sunflower oil na den wo so wanya bi pa me da wana se me kire me ene maboafo nyina afei ma me ntwa me homra me ba me de aduane pa ene ebrewo na nem ne me dofo ba ko ne ba be aduane no opie ha obehu dada baka se braid na pronounce him too much ani me dofo ba ko no enko ba bia ansa na meko no so no said ya nema ho pharmacy atade maison d'elegance ai ready to wear ni bia maison d'elegance achimota namne na ya kanso ya bom ene say me ma hye na atade berries glam and I am makeup Sarah and Mimi so mi ti di ma me ntimi do ase bebre abusua ma me ntwa me homra nya buche kakra ma me na me ma very simple but special food ene me ba sitia
Ghana ahode abayesi di nimu
Emra ye de crazy kanunie. High Sense Factory Direct Promo na sabe o. Na we die e chai kane no. E wo mu say atete so dada. Say who na so.
Efiti 25th, e kopim 29th August.
Yes, I tisu say who. Me kire say antiso prenu. Emputu ba economy ni mu a. Wo so se fata say. Wo di de. Wa fa wadwinibu. Brand new smart TV a. Wo hwe wo sini papa bi wo so. Fridge kakraka e kwan dem. Na wo di load wo niema. Air conditioner entry nyinam kanea. Na bon from ade. Wo benya we nyina wo factory direct promo yi mu. One da form cry. Esubi ni bebia. Ko High Sense showroom bia. Ghana for na.
Efiti 25th, e kopim 29th August.
Emma waiting for call da High Sense. Everyday prices for everyday people.
Ah, Martin. My show with my omba. Oba patofum. Na me so be here scan. Na only scan we here. Mama me susu nyina aka me tumu sa.
My way so far so na be no. Sikefia mitua ne busu bia no eso fa so no me frɛ o apɛ ina o ba me moa ene sɛ obi abɔ ma ba so yi me didi na eye na mfa so
aya kai sɛ abre bia obey my way insurance no o de obusu ani mapa baako ebe hye so me kyerɛ sɛ ofiri mu nko ade a ye be kɔ wo moa na wa na wo ye my way insurance no de ye be kɔ wo moa abra wo kɔ yade krankro yade anankwanhia abubu agu a wo ye wo ho hwea enye Impo, wakoda yare sabia ebro na mienu. So what the 18, ekopin 59 a, uwa pomudin a. Ubetumi abeka my way abusia na ho. Fa phone, ne dial *165#. Ewo MTN so se sia. Sanye my way a. Ka say no way.
FDA approved.
McBrown's kitchen.
McBrown's kitchen e wusi afo aduane pa ede. Me da se wa twan me wa kwa basonko so. Afei mami akwanya no en. Na me fa introduce me special guest. Me special guest there. Onua TV adaroma eye onua showtime adaroma. Ena ma me ne be ye close pa. I me go di dwuma okumase a. CCC. Sorry dem a. Me ni me team. Me producer Uncle Fred mu nyina e co-program actually na me so me dabel ne so billboard me titua so bi ani into no say ye ko CC ye no nyam hye na tre say ba hu ne mba che no ho ananya hu oh me pesa me kire me ankase me nua be ma tuntum so you kama Adom Kiki enene me ne be ye diane ntabusafo me pesa ono ade nwom efrosro ho a sabre wo fia fa nigye wo akoma mfahia no benyame nipa anhira no mame wadom ti amen Kiki Mr. bra
He is the Lord. Is there anything too hard
nothing
for
is too
him?
hard for him.
He is the Lord. He has said it, and surely he'll do. Hold on to your faith, your confessions, all the days of your life, and you will see the hand of the Lord in your life. He can do it.
No matter what.
Do it.
Yes.
Better for you.
And more.
Far more than you can think that he will ever do.
Oh, nyame obeyo.
He can do it.
Do it.
Do it.
And me see commit me to be a
Better for you. Far more than you can think that he will ever do.
Sana nyame ye no. Far more than you can think that he will ever do. Obe have na bro so. I don't Kiki. Na no me hwa me comment bi wo social media say, "Eh, nana de wacheche hag chen obia with the whole gun." I don't know me hag we be good them into where they anya the foforo craft. But me na kwaba.
Me just mean
From Onia Showtime, from CCC program, your program, friends.
The Worshipper's Heart.
The Worshipper's Heart. Now we are coming to cook.
Yes.
Now, Obiba Bisasa na brain yanyum no nimto. Adam, can you cook?
Very well. Mitimi ediane pa.
Remember no mutimi jine jade show be yire mwen munyam. Oka ho.
Me ka ho bebre.
Sa.
Papa.
Nti na oba no aduane.
Me be no aduane come.
Bra. Na say na no special food and I say.
Ani special
medical to need special food.
Ani.
Sir.
Ani.
Me pacho me wo me say once you show me what you are coming to cook.
Sir.
And a special food near day.
And me ba be braised rice. The friend anwamo no. Ba me de na me ba be special. Special cry bi ana why anwamo wano anwamo bebre but ene de ya oba be hwe de special. Enti ba bia wo bi a wo hwe bia no. Na wo so asua bi. Na wapopo bi wo fie. Na wo no dofo bi. Na wo ne wo nua ba bi, wo nua ba ma bi. Wo ne wo ma bi. Fefe bi.
Kase wo school wo hostel na wo accommodate wo
na wa ye bibi kama.
Na wo ni mre no. Na se mo ne anwa ni botanical name pa e
braised rice.
O hene ba ron san ni fa hyehyɛ so. Na kan no nkra ni be se na kan no. Into wa ro ni say na ta se me so. Ma ro me say wie yi de. Ye free hape ye kɔ he. Ye kɔ ye ne ma no. Afa ye nkɔ ha. Ni hu ne Adom ingredients or the baby and no. Why never show me the way? Okay,
so your braised rice na your baby no. You wo jenny waha onion. You wo tomato waha. You wo ginger akakedru. And you wo yen papo shito.
The green pepper.
Green pepper waha say. And I wo corn beef. Uti ni ye corn beef. You be used to corn beef.
I want more corn beef.
Annie.
Sir? You cook I want more corn beef?
Better.
Oh, okay. We didn't know about that.
And I walk your sardine waha.
Okay.
And yen kakra and so waha. Then we have our rice, royal aroma rice waha. And I wore a McBrown's sunflower oil papabi waha. Here my main can be being show ever and one way home. But di one dance here. Na
to be honest with you, Kiki my main come in yami anymore. And ask me enka. Many papa na here research about this oil. Many Adom Kiki. And they research about McBrown's sunflower oil. Yeah, research in no. And they see baby and way free. Nanya me any muni. Yes, and chilling come for no home. Mesro say. Ube bombardia sabre no yentimin distributed to all corner stores and all that. Yeah, gradually. Mesro. Baby I could be at the bosso child of where the bedroom area ho. Na when ye be. Na when ye be a Cheso wapom de here. Why? Aha. Hanyo ni aso time say when you him nso wapom ni e cooking show wapom de here. Intim part of my researcher, my partner in researching in the Kiki me dase. TV so me da wate. Sanya wa ka dreamy ma nyem no dada dan ka me wo no.
Oh.
Inti nyame wo hira wo mame.
Amen.
Pa.
Amen. Nyame so hira. Se wa ma yakwanya amaye nso so ya ba beka dwumadi anti se yo. Nyame hira bebre.
Wo hira wo mame. Na bia na ukreska. Na person de bibi. Na wa enye ni papa wo sika na be hye. Wan kyerɛ me kwan pa no a me nyina nka mo ma anya research no me invest na nkofa bibia keke ba asai ne ma nyina me mpane sa nti me pɛ nim difo Kiki nyame hyira
so amen 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 amen
na no aso na ba be die no
eno a
so who say
sir
otobo bodan a
esaba wo
ene no ne gyina
ani
wa hene nti yen hyehyɛ so ye kɔ ne sɛn
you be fit a braised rice na before we start no you be fire jane
you be blend bibia na
you be blend yes you be blend your ginger no eya kakaduro no ene paposhito no
we pacho blend and
blend and sha mamini
I plugged already.
Yes. High sense product. Papa.
Yes, papa. So they were near to Kiki.
Oh. And one you use with you. And one
madam use man wrong.
And one
oh, what's the medana?
No one you use.
What's the medana? Medana say.
I
made the sioba. It's the open so blend be a chucha.
Sir.
I am fan call. Inside. Chucha gum mammy.
Sir.
It's natural. You have a blended and sunny money me.
You have blended a ye ginger no. And a paposhito no. Akra. Ubi oha ope ne duane more spicy. Obi also open mouth. Obi also open no kakra bi ketewa bi kra inti ho ne ho. Inti no ye fa no according to timene kakra bi beka ho.
Na say ye money anwa no ye blend meko.
Ye blend moko.
We dey muhu bi da.
Aha, inti na special no.
Okay, we apa.
Inti ne ye nyina ye bisua de. Inti nsuo kakra. Ye mfa nsuo no pii.
You better do oil kra no.
Ai, eye.
Okay.
Nsuo no ye. Nsuo no ye. Ye mfa nsuo bebree.
To be blended way ma and ginger no be ko way ma
we blend it separately. And sana you ya blend it ginger no. Yem fam
ginger
separate.
Pepper
then
separate.
pepper separate.
Na say we are me uhuru mana.
You be uhuru kakra.
Oh, okay. And you only must get said, let's go.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, na me
so we pour this here.
We be fibre.
Oh, anyway, come on, I feel the car. But found me more.
Kafra.
See a best few we
a good. I see. Good.
Pepe, me cook any.
Not Yahoo, we make a crazy.
I was for me call room waba. Kid, the next thing is what?
It's our ginger. You have blended ginger, no? Into a cakedron in here. Whilst we wait for the blender to blend the ginger.
Into a cakedron in here. Among sugar crabby was.
Thank you so much. Then
the top one.
You bet. Okay.
So, and also you bet pour her.
Pour ginger, no.
You are near Sako who and so. And I we blending.
Yeah, we blending for now.
Okay.
Like
a we cry.
Yeah, we cry. You blend the baby.
Okay. Yeah, we dear about first year.
Okay.
Nafe.
Then the next thing is to
teacher.
Yes, you be frying onion no, jenny no. Then we cut the onion
stylish.
Yes.
How you want it.
How you want it. Obi o ha opene de akese, obi o ha opene de enketua. Ba ya na metwitwa me ma ne yen ketua pi.
Yeah.
Medium. Twa.
Yo. Yempia wa.
Ani yempia mfa. Engu ho.
Yeah. Na ye betwitwa bibi entoso no so e.
Entoso ne de ye wie bibia ye betwi moko. So I want more than moko na eko.
Okay.
My moko no kwa ye betwi ne ye be in a special way, different way.
Hey Kiki.
Aye.
Mate.
Nti bibia special, say na special. Any bibia special.
Mate I say I give you.
McBrown's kitchen so special.
I give it to you.
No me bibia special.
Okay. Me wa hadi ma. Na me fa kwanya ada mama do ase. Me chance set mama do na de che me. O Kumasi adum. Nti wo hwe no social media so anya na ho. Kiki m de asiso.
Nti let's put on the fire.
Okay. Put on the fire.
Yes.
Yes. It's on.
Say the edru so say be fire oil and they use McBrown's sunflower oil.
Then
you see the kind no. Ukọ eja so ahwe McBrown's sunflower oil. Wa wapo mudinti hwe oil we.
Yes.
Oil la udi a enko fire remrel we no cholesterol be anim. Esai halal certified. Halal certified. E kire se ehoti a obia betimi apebi e dey bi opeso ye bia.
Enu nti sa o come McBrown's sunflower oil na just obia dia. Yes, because you say obia betimi use.
Sir. You be fa oil na yaba. Then
just ammonia wo na so ho tates no ammonia wa. Ho tates no.
We say a healthy thing. Which my father do bia upe bia, but fast so no ahwe according to
the
quantity in rice now obi say we use no. Say ne be ya enko broso. E ma ne enko ye too oily.
And waste oil no
waste oil no. Flavorful stage. See the onion no. Egum. Be ma no ase makakra. Ache kakra. E ma ne nchi emro so enye too brownish. Kakra bi
Okay.
Crabby to keep the flavor, no crabby.
Hey,
And my name
said you were young
Chibi.
one young way. Said your power on your son, I am one young way. Because who can Kiki born you one? Or what would trust room could be one idea be more and one. It's in the said you can.
Then after you be frying papo shitono. And no me pese bi di kan fa because we say papo shito e flavor bi. I don't know how to describe it. Eye stronko. O de ya ade a ema ade ni hwam. E na say man the taste so. Man the taste stronko bi. Inti then we pour papo shitono in. Ye be man no esi so kakra. Ye be man esi so kakra. Ani say no onion no on say mama na brown ni bebre mama na anye brown bebre kakra bi ai kakra bi
Braised rice.
braised
Braised
rice
rice.
special braised rice see on say menum kakra. Then the next stage is to pick up the ginger. Ginger na ya grind no
Now, Obi Beka say Kiki, I don't know why your mom because if we are never.
the enti amanya mamum they say I want to keep the flavor. So what the fra unya flavor ni ye on say jene di kan call ye say na be ya jene no benya papo chito the flavor no first and sana who say ginger ne de enye so much flavorable enye any flavor kese te say mekono ti be say mekono eko jene no ho and sana me de ginger no
Yanko, and many bro.
nti kai na one blend am
You.
be mano asi so kakra
Minkata so na yejan sa.
yenya ne sa ensi so kakra be for about 3 minutes 2-3 minutes ensi so kakra bi
Ebusafo, ye my 2-3 minutes. We are not rushing the food at all. It's ye my 2-3 minutes 90 minutes there. Isuo no nya there
enye kama sa alright say wo ha nka be hu say flavor no all over to ya bo say baby awa wo ye bia obeti
isuo no nwie.
ensuo no
But still, yet
flavor no aye. This is my corn beef. This is my corn beef.
But the corn beef is coming here too.
Yes, it's coming there.
And your money I
know.
No, method here. He couldn't say money I'm going to meet me, Miss Our Carrier. No, here. Adom Kiki. Eddie Abioni and Kamfa Adom Kiki. When him saw a musician. Or a Yamin, Yamin, musician. Gospel artist.
Yes.
Now, my name is a chef. Come on. People the only way we are near him.
Matia. Yeah, the corn beef for no so.
Come.
Yeah, the come. Your best steak kakra.
Okay.
Yeah, men stay ni be bree. Men pese be hunu be bree. You stay ni kakra bi. Then we leave it. We leave it on the fire. Sorry. The fire to let it simmer on low fire. Yeah, this stage, you know, udra low ejane kakra.
Hey,
na one man. Aye, nana sa.
Okay.
Na ya low ejana mana perform. Sene be nya adaje. A brown kama.
Okay.
Baby eduna are you ready? Say ye day and rice, you know. Yeah, more never baby gum.
Let's say the only answer on the low heat.
Yes.
When you more about time tuning in either actually kasa. Rice neighbor. Okay. Accordingly, right?
Accordingly, yes. According to your quantity of your flavor na your wahano, then we pour the rice in it. Yes. See. Yeah. Sir. Good.
Wow.
Yes.
Ammonia ngo.
Ani ammonia. Ammonia mapapeli. Special braised rice. Adom Kiki special braised rice.
Yes, Adom Kiki special braised ampa. Yemfa kanka na mu bebe. Oh, Kiki.
Crab kaho.
Amun bebe.
Crab kaho. I think they're okay.
Okay, oh.
Aye.
Lower.
Yede emono egum esisu sei no. On say excellency most people anwamo a ode mo no egu mu wieye oyo no mu wieye a na wahwie nsu agum
Ani.
ha but we no on yen hwie nsu no mum se sia e be ma na si so be 2 minutes na emo na brownie ase emo no achi kakra no ansa na yede yen nsu no agum eno no so man different taste kra ni flavor ha nti emo na brownie kakra no ansa na yede yen nsu no agum be after 1 minute
Ufrihi wankata ufrihi utuntu ufrihi wahini
me
ufrihi
free aguna akrofon so e wo mampon kwan so asaman aguna asaman then akrofon so
na se me kwaye wo ho
ani e ho na me free
what is American me ne be Bridget
ani
me kwaye wo nim twam ko Sako City kofa kofi ase
yes
ntimi ko okro
we kro
wow aguna akrofon
so
you the 2 minutes ya ba na nyama
aba until we can just pour in our water bit me the nsuo no agum sisi ya
nsuo wa ha me pour anu akon man se wodi ana
me pacho matia pacho pour
said the special idea ebi abukasa pouring no so every 2 minutes na ka
pour it over to the I went to video gum pacho fa gum fa kakaka ho Crabby can it's okay.
Na yes I can't chine wo
I can't chine na ahano na ma menka say on say ye corn beef no a bit salty dada. It is a wo fine chine na now I careful say wonko fa
more than
because a salty dada.
Until we come on answer.
Sir.
Let me bring this
Annie.
Now Kiki I feel there be a mu ye do oba no won no osija so
Annie.
Na yan hwe o carry ani mu nsam kakra me de onu extra time na de me hia wo
Annie
ene adane abusuan na wadaroma me ko sisi so ye hu se we asori ba pa fru krabem oti aso ho a wo de anyini a wo de o manyina be wi o enti me kan say wonyum to na sha se wo hin na yi ben.
Okay, the year 2008, that time na me a student KNUST. Na me read publishing studies.
Okay.
And I me will be so me bon senku dada. Inti Adom Kiki no kra no. Enye me ankasa me din ma wo for the to me. Because of keyboard na me bono. And then ma enkrofo de me associate
Gotcha beno.
Okay, Kiki Jan. And na me father so oni osibisa group no enante dada. Inti no me fiti asese me bon senku ne ntem. Piano no. Inti omo na omu nim me that time no ena de Kiki no eto me omo dey associate with Kiki Jana na obo keyboards ma osibisa.
Okay. Say ya. Love me nkata so.
Na ye jai ama.
Malone pa o.
Oh good.
Malone pa no.
Good.
Yes. So we cover now.
Yes.
Okay, betundu na to. Wow. Amuna ni. Na we muna yenya hwibio.
Me wi a ebetwie moko.
Ebetwi meko no.
Aye.
Ene me wasan ka wa ha.
Good.
Nice one.
Good.
Yeah, who be so we can do it directly.
Sure.
Now, meko ni ye twi meko no say mo ne bia.
Na
ye di meko no. Wa me an chikosua. Ya nya hwe anase na ma ne corn beef no.
Corn beef ni enough. Corn beef ni enough. Na ye we sardine so ha.
Okay.
So one mo so de enye kosua ne sardine so ko.
Okay.
Nti I prefer say me use sardine no. After say you twi moko no. Ewie no.
And then I said, you know, the aduane we die. We really bad nyane no aye wie.
Me enye easy. Na me no man su ye no di wie so de ane.
And then say bonko. Say na what do 3 points. Me
na se bebre.
Ni onim dada. Yo abusafo kasa kwa no. Kaimu na kasa no. Won't ase anya he. Na how long no our Kiki?
I've been married for 13 years.
Wow. How many children?
4.
Ah, when I saw one man 4, no.
Man 4. Aye.
Pam.
Man 4.
And you feel where then?
Feel where there. And now, me manu su dino and ko 40 almost say na the old man wo ma to car car na I'm see
And
me man ye freba ko Lexus. Ye freba ko Mercedes. Ye freba ko Nessa. And the last one me dey to my wife Frida.
Oh, okay.
Me dey to my wife Frida because akola
no. Okay, any can be a friend Frida there.
There be.
But mommy and son.
Train there.
Lexus, Mercedes,
and Nessa.
Nissan.
Aye. Ever say Nissan. Nessa.
Never and so.
Aye.
Wow.
See, I've been married for 13 years.
Nice one.
Yes.
But back to your career, no, as a musician, no. Started here, babe.
I started 2008.
2008.
Yes.
To 2028.
Yes. 2025.
2025.
Yes.
So we are like 17.
Yes,
16,
about 17
yeah.
years. 17 years. 17 years.
You do.
Annie.
Worshipers Heart tonight, was that your second album or?
That wasn't my second event. It was actually the third event.
Oh,
Kakrebi.
Okay. The third event.
It was actually my third year running the Worshipers Heart. Nah. Me ya me pese me starting no ketwa. Na epija. Ti me kai first edition ne say ye wie no. Ye no ye CCC, ye youth center bi ho. E fa nipa be 1005.
Okay.
Ti ye program no, the place was so filled. After that na me can say next year no me move ya main auditorium more. The main auditorium was why only CCC Kumasi BI it takes over 5,000 people. And people were like, now why this bold decision? Will you be able to fill that auditorium? Because any easy so obey event. Now what to me I feel it that Minya fia konya ka mepe.
What I see oh.
No matter so na me twi ni ya mo mehu se minim twi. Na me gina we dey I said dey me I be bo.
Mama mo be next chance.
Ani.
I had everything is possible. I can say. For you and see. So see, as you were saying,
see me say me feel it. Me second edition no main auditorium and I told the people that I was going to bring one of the best gospel musicians we had in Ghana. And for that matter, I was going to bring Joe Metal. Most of the people didn't believe it. But Nyanko Ponwa Okase, Ani Obin to make a and for the second year running, it intimidate Joe Metal. But one interesting thing about that program on that day, they said, Excellence, you should talk that Sunday, you know, from
second edition
from about 2 p.m. Copy me see a event in the week. Nah, near best start event at 3:30. A ball 3 p.m. Not them why ma.
And so
not people were standing outside.
What you
Maybe.
What did you never fry?
Maybe Jane never fry.
Me to camera.
Aye, Pacho.
Enti ahoya ma no.
Emma we nya overflow. Ko for Gina Abontain to witness the program. And it was so successful. It is just about that, you know.
Pacho baby.
Kakrebi.
So we.
Aye, we. It's just about the third year, no. And Nyankopon Adom Yesadi Joe Metal by Bium Efe Grace.
And ya baby.
And yenya Her Excellency Suma no babe tie. In fact, only Unia Showtime crew na by ma event near fe. That is it about the Worshipers Heart event am I in for 3 years running, no. And this year so Nyankopon ya Adom Yebesa Kwani ahodi ne hia November. Ya na ye no November bia.
Tomato ni hia wa ha.
Aye, tomato ni hia.
Okay.
Aye. Ti this year ye besa aye. Ewo CCC wa Nyankopon ya Adom November, but the date is yet to come out.
Okay.
You know, we should all watch out and stay glued. Set date in the bar, ye bema obia ti ne dru ha.
Obia ti mi
am ya boom sorry. Nyankopon Kiki
bacho baako na mienu.
Baako pay.
Okay. And I face so my mimi son say Kiki, Adom Kiki, or how many albums?
Me one full album, which has about 11 songs.
Okay.
And no me in 2008. Now me a student working in university no. And me but I have currently in the I have about 6 singles which are out. And you need be to say Asaf Yehowa me feature Joe Metal. Me wa Doxa medley. And no a collection of old tunes. Most of the Sunday school tunes that we used to sing when we were kids, when we went to church. And I young Ghana nyoma inim da no. And I yakeka boom. Edi aye Doxa medley no. Then me wa one song a friend mess some. In fact, that song was a song that in fact brought me out in the year 2022 because after 2008 me the music net to chain because na me go school me wie no so no me ye se me ye adwuma nti me ye adwuma kakra e wo multi credit savings and loans me ye adwuma for about 5 years and me resign here na me ye se me ye adwuma na yakopon madum na kakra baby odi aba be dru ni
Adom Kiki.
Ani
What you call you?
ai me twa
Na sardine.
Sardine no ye de bega ne she broni beka se gane pacho menya salt kakra
Enye. Simple. Nti ye wie we yi mpacho. Ye mo no obe an no ano no.
Na after see a twi mo kwa wi agane she ne kama no
Special rice in any.
Eno ano.
When I did 3.2.
Eno ano no.
Na se ka bi an she dani hu sa.
E ka bi an she dani.
Na brebia ni musa.
Brebia ni. And ye quick to make.
Yes.
Very quick to make. Very quick.
Very, very quick to make. Pacho me hwe ma wo.
Me pacho ai.
There we are here na ni me pass am dia. Ai. At this point, your mekono are ready.
Are you ready?
Ani. Your mekono are ready.
Ani.
Nti no ye betumi apagya si so.
Betuma pagya.
Na ye hwe ye mo.
Na ye hwe ye mo.
Wo pesa ja say aduane no wa wi.
Maybe so very fast. Very simple and very, very fast.
Aduane we dey be bia also to me try na o surprise we here one day.
Sir.
Mo ya na me na me mtimi ko jare na me no so hye kura mu be hye. Ene ade no mesra mo. Sa aduane we dey anya aduane. Mekotwe na ntimi onya high sense blender oya na grr ebefa yankwa hwa mo trese wa ma aduane no kwa yare mi ehwa mo
oh ye mo no so akakra
ye mo so akakra
bi
obedi ma na abejan sa
ma men stay ne ketu heavy men stay ne bibri se ne be ya enkoye
embubu ana
enkokeka mum basa
we nyensu na hwa
pacho me Insuno ye.
Insuno oh.
Aye, insuno ye.
Okay.
Mestene. Great. Good.
Enyeshi.
She cry here num ti ebe som sa.
What? Ya me yire di.
Aye.
Besum na shi. Wow. Chese nu eni.
Aye.
Amuni amafa pa o.
Ani.
Wow. Yes. We waiting the vegetables so ashishem.
We waiting the vegetables ashishem. Vegetables bi a ope bia obetumi de.
Ikmani nwo mepe.
Ope on.
Ni we nyina medi mo na se no. Why? Yo abusuafo ye besa akata so bio. At this stage kura no wutimi the tissue kata so.
Sa.
Wutimi the tissue no. E kata so kama.
Anyway, che say opa anwa mo pa uta ye on.
Ki Epangamo.
Me wo feel bi na me nyini wa.
Oh, you mam, and I me feel.
We wo feel bi.
There be many feel. Because of our feel. In your medium slow. Feel. Come on, Ebusafo. Easy as over say easy we go. Yeah. Ah, Kiki. Just I said no matter confused how you're going to do or put it together, but wow.
Yes.
Nice, yes. Sardine is for the garnishing on the pepper.
For the garnishing.
And we have our meat in the rice.
Sir.
The protein is in the rice.
That is it.
Yo.
So we say, if I cry, a bit to me, epicrap, Jane ni kakrebi.
Edi
Egu eni no kama. Obi o so ko be ka say oh. Edi tomato crab
be say gugu
ka ho.
Tresa busuafo aduane no ano very simple. Mitre kiki aduane very easy to make in the house. O kan sem bi say oye aduane we a na yire ani je wo pa na ebasa de o hwehwe wo na yire ho bia no ani je mu oba no edema no. Sometimes as a man no, we don't need you to cook abenko ansani who say you can pamper us in the kitchen. These things kosia obeche kakra me cook kakra be boa no kitchen. Eniema bi obeche boa na chicha jeni oh na wo manage na won chen ni ade, and that is the family joy. Try no ma here any woman and feel like that at home with daddy cooking for them. On this note, you be try ho aba. You be try ho saying you be ba no na ya mo no aya wie na ya twen se be na emre nti you know we work time aye dey abene na fe ni die as you know some wo kra nam dey si wani man ka nim dada said they be say nti no me enko na yem brassesia McBrown's kitchen today with Adom Kiki with cooking braised rice.
Adom Kiki special braised rice.
Adom Kiki special braised rice. Mpacho enko be biate ye basisia.
Ghana, ahwode ba yesidi nimu. Emra ye de crest kanonie. High Sense Factory Direct Promo na sabe o. Na we die e chan kane no. E wo mu say atete so dada. Say hu na so.
Efiti 25th, Ekopim 29th August.
Yes, ati so say hu. Me kire say enti so prenu. Emputu ba economy nimu a. Wo so se fata say. Odi de. Wa fa wadwinibu. Brand new smart TV a. Wo hwe wo sini papa bi wo so. Fridge kakraka e kwan dem. Na wo dia load wo niema. Air conditioner entry nyinam kania. Na bon from ade. Ubenya we nyina wo factory direct promo yimu. Ebo no da form kra. Esubi ni bebia. Ko High Sense showroom bia. Ghana for nyina.
Efiti 25th, Ekopim 29th August.
Emma waiting for ko da High Sense. Everyday prices for everyday people.
Ah, Martin. My show with my omba. Papa tofum. Na me so be here scan. Na onya scan we here. Mama me susie nyina aka metumu sa.
Ma we so fa so na bi no. Sike fia mitua ne busu mi bia no, so fa so no. Me frɛ o ma pɛ, e no mo ba me moa. Ene se obi abɔ ma ba so yi. Me didi na eye na mfa so.
Aya kai say abrebia obey my way insurance no. Odi obusu ani mapa baako ebe hye so. Me tire se ofri mu nko ade a, ye be call mo a. Na wa na wo ye my way insurance no de. Ye be call mo a abra wo ko yade krankro. Yade anankwanhia abubu agu a wo ye wo ho hwea enye. Impo wakoda yare sabia ebro na mienu. Se wadi 18 ekopin 59 a wo apomudin a. Ubetumi abeka my way abusia na ho. For phone, net dial *165 hash. Ewo MTN so se sia. Sanye my way a. Ka say no way. Dedo spices. Taste day inside. But Dedo spices here what Diani say. Nanya good taste. If we say yeah the natural spices and yeah Ghana hey ya. Ani you want all purpose stew, noodles, curry and nutmeg and a jollof. Dedo spices. Taste yummy. Taste lemon. Dedo spices. Taste day inside. FDIG ejedi in kratoya too.
Nice wig. It's my hair. Wow. I love your wig. It's my hair. Wow. MiPROMO. Eye onu ankasa ni hair. Wow. Try the new BO16 No Lie Hair Relaxer and thank me later.
Easy to use in just a 3-step process. It's so easy on the scalp and contains shea butter, coconut oil, and olive oil for healthy hair and scalp.
Now that's wow.
New BO16 No Lie 3-in-1 Hair Relaxer straightens, strengthens, and protects. BO16 Express yourself.
The GC brand. It's all about you. This advert is FDA approved.
McBrown's kitchen,
McBrown's kitchen abusuafo aduane pa day. So wo ha ena ka wo hwe ana wuties wo bese aroma na enenam ho ana ka Kiki wampara my braised rice no ampa me mu akwaba me dofo a wo me adrum na o se edidi nti sabre me ni nua be ma yo fi a nyame anim ni se ananke be ye no na mo meda me nua be ma no ase na fe a chede a eda nanim so me de amma no se de kiki ye ne hata bia no maboafo e high sense the GC brand can do cosmetics dead doll spices and afi my way insurance ane aboafo ama me niam yi se me fama wo Ada Roma, ene kettle na minyaye. Because empacho mo fire ba ko meka me ojo. Fire ba ko meka me ho. Na me fancy kiki ni ma no so. GC brand de se me yi brebe na free so a ana mate rubber na bon say your product ni nyina ya ma obi. Sara na dead spices taste the inside. Ebusuafo dead pepper. Ani ni nuanom nyina noodles all purpose and nutmeg and curry ni nyina me de bi aka ho. Afa ya nkasa ya ngwane ya research no.
Ani.
Me do we krade na hunya o krade anwa no de o pe bia timi fa pacho we de edi si wo be keke ba kope de o pe bia wi atimi sisa ni nyina me do fo odi ane na ready
Aye.
fabra na ojo ki wadama yamfa we nka enema no ho pepe utimi de si ya kwa ha ho a ani ene se de aye no on the low ye wa ha pepe yemie mu no so ana yemo mpa yansa
Oh, yemie so.
Yedi
can't tell that.
Ane, yedi kante we Yesu dim dada. Amen.
Amen.
And you also be a mekoni so ai.
Aye.
It's hot. Hey, ni hwam ne.
Ani. Very catch you. Say.
Kiki. Do you love me? Kiki was on you, Miss Baby. I will go to wow. Emo no one say wonya girigiri bia o. No giriki juete you know pepper no. Nam so ene dem chance am be chia de. Ye di ade wa yo wam. Trese se fried rice you. Na aroma na free mu ba.
Papa bi.
Aroma corn beef no.
Aye, papa bi.
Aroma no. Usanfo kanu kra anwa mu say pa ne pe de. Na se na na mani da ho. Me dey surprise kiki pa. Na kiki e. Wo de ma me fa nguso. The gusu ye ni edidi ane abonko. Me abusanfo me de me pa ye den. Eguso. Kama. Abusanfo said you kan ya te ho dada. Ye horo ye nsa na fe. We di ayo ma duane de. Wo de spoon ne sa na ma no ba ho a wo be delay ni ma. Ti edi ya mo braised rice. Amen. Yes. Fena mbeka mo no me decide kakra e won mo ha. Jeni kakra, ayi kakra, ntos kakra.
How do you find the taste?
Amono si amfa me konu kra nkan wan ka betume di nsa. Wow. Special braised rice by Kiki. It's different.
Yeah. How do you find the taste?
Me ti ginger no wom. Anam sa te me konu wom dada. And also me ko green wo taste for na red no so wo.
Ewo foforo.
Taste for it is like a mixture of it. And I dem say tomato no so na ne gu ase a. Na clear me konu so.
Sir.
Say na je say hwehwe na eno akla me konu so. Yo abusanfo Adom Kiki. Adom Kiki mo and you na Adom na say ma so we release medley bi. And then Adom kano.
Ani.
And on the cost
The friend dynamics the mix. Dynamics.
Okay.
The mix. Dynamics is a Greek word. A trade the mighty power of God. It is a choice of songs now a fire now. It talks about the power of God, having faith in God. And then the so to me I am.
Yeah.
And those are the songs you're putting it up together in a 12-minute medley, which is very, very, very powerful in a reggae form. See, that is it about the dynamics The Mix by Adom Kiki. Yeah.
Dynamics the mix by Adom
Kiki.
Wow. And then by Enche, yes, and I say,
I by Enche.
But if after our program, I also release it back 2 times, right?
Yeah. After program, no, this is the second one. Me releasing, and in fact, there's going to be a third one. A song I did with Joe Metal, and also Enche, a Babon thing. Okay, you are right. And Obeka, it will be the third release after we did the program.
You like Joe Metal so much, why?
Me pe Joe Metal asem because na me nim no baby but the first time I made share no. The way I osi brain ho ase na ho brase ene me kasa esa shame in crying. Because I mean it got to a time and I me person me say jai music in the bio.
Now go back to business.
I me say akoye me business bio. But okache me say, bro, I see a great potential in you. I see you to be a great brand. Don't give up. Push. Keep on pushing. Those words no ma eto makoma so ma me be pay Joe asem. And one thing about Joe Metal, he's so down to earth. He's so humble. The Bible can say bro who asia onyankopon we pagya. No wonder
Joe is
going higher every time. Na ho brase nti Joe Metal dey me penasem ye. Penasem.
Adom Kiki. How long now about instrument? Because as a musician, no. Said you can say Kiki no came to you like that. How long the instrument bang anymore?
Okay. I've played the piano for over 28 years.
You love piano?
Yeah. The keyboard piano. I've played it for over 28 years. And I'm a lead guitar so crack. But I'm very dominant on the piano.
Okay.
Those who know me, you know, in him said I'm very dominant on the piano. Even though me bought lead guitar no so crack. But then like I said, no piano no me call.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And aside music, you do other businesses.
Yes.
Can we talk about that?
Sure, we can.
Yeah.
Me cars. Me a car dealer. Me import cars. Yeah, babeton. And me import spare parts so. Me spare parts of Juma. Na me sa ton one.
We are in the business. Yes.
Me sa ton one. And a more kakra.
Into the details na man.
Okay. On social media, on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, and even on YouTube, it's Adom Kiki. So simple. Adom Kiki na eba akope. You either follow or you subscribe. Now, I know say yes also you'll be a blessing. Na Yakopon be sure be brave. Yeah.
Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Woo! If you go there, type especially YouTube.
Yeah.
This season want to inspire a lot of people. So I don't know the angle that you take, whether in marriage, whether in business or in career. You can give your advice if you look through this camera.
All right. Idea meka actually wa utie me wa wo hwe me. Abrabo na aye bono abotre ni hia. Me sofo eye pastorals for obin of CCC o kan sembi na asasem no eto makoma so yipa na me hu se eye no kre. O say time is a friend. Time is not an enemy. It is a who ye bibia now there who feel say and so ya just give yourself time. Onyamemre mu no oye ade nyina fefefe na oye ade no so ma eye fa eye fe broso na ebu nipa adwene ne ntiase so eti abrabo na aye bo no eye abotre ne hia abotre nko a. And you talked about marriage. I've been married for about 13 years now. Our year no easy. Wentwi wom metin wom sebe esene tekrema kra no to de bi omoko. It may advice am de be ma say oh hwe me say oh tie me in marriage no matter what you are going through no just have the patience, have the heart and pray to God. Nyankopon obeboa. I've been there. I know what I'm talking about. I've been there. Nyankopon obeboa. And I be bia odi esi wenu so say wo ye bia no. Keep on pushing. Don't give up. Always put your hope and trust in God because Onyankopon onu na ye bibia. I love you so much. Nyankopon enshira bebre.
Adom Kiki. I love you too. God bless you so much for the good person you have been to me. God bless you so much. Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much.
Thank you so
My
much.
greetings to the wife and the kids. The whole family.
Yes.
Yeah. No one more one money than you.
Oh. They say unu. What dey na? Me pese enkofo sum because eyanwa papa. It's a good oil. You know, I say this with passion. I say this with passion because minim I want to see one. Minim what it's made of. And when I'm talking about it, I become so passionate
about it. I know.
Yeah.
You're brave and you know much and so pan. Sure. And Kiki, I mean, we shall.
So.
Me dasi.
Oh.
Me shall be brave. And then one mommy. And let me know what I had yesterday. That's what I'm about for high sense. The GC brand. Send my way. Casino way. Annie. Asana dead dough spices. Me don't want to be brave. Me dey asida Emma launcher so for me jadi. And I feel McBrown's sunflower oil no so no. Said the aka ho asem no. Research ye asanya the oil way but it's say minimum die kura me. And nim said the person shame who so ye intimi ton anything like that. Please. Ayo be adia. McBrown's sunflower oil. Obia dia ti mesremo we me yede ma ye ho ye nyina nyintum na eye pa meda mu nyina ase meda me be oye mi make was berries ase na mimi hair look ono so meda na ase pa ye be sha na ontwen se no e ma re mfi so be hwe ni abetwa mu nyina ko e wo YouTube McBrown's Kitchen YouTube da ho subscribe share and please comment. I want to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next week. I want to say to you, I love you once again. And I love you watching me. My team, for this season, I don't know what to do to you. You guys have been amazing. God bless you all. Oh, mama say mamu. Oh, mama say mamu. Yami shrawuni na. Ebeshia na otwen sene. McBrown's Kitchen. Ediane pa medofo. Ede.
McBrown's Kitchen, again, McBrown's Kitchen, McBrown's Kitchen, again, McBrown's Kitchen, yet to Kano, get it bow, so when you know, no, am I in here, yet to Kano, get it bow, so when you yeah, my share. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen.